see any. So this is our second video, and we will learn like how to install, how to download Wireshark in your system. So I am using Windows system. It's Windows 11, and I have just, you need to mention the Wireshark. Wireshark download. Wireshark download. You need to click here, and you can see like Wireshark is a free. You can install, available for 64-bit edition. Okay, so you can install it. It's available for multi operating system. Click on this. Wireshark. It's a 64-bit edition version, right? And 32. It's available for Mac as well, right? It's a source code of this. So let me click. These are the old version. You can see. If you have installed it, if there is any update, it will automatically reflect on to you when you are opening it. You can live update this Wireshark. So let me click on this. Okay, it's giving me some restriction. So I have other option. It's showing me that your connection is not private. Okay, not an issue. Let me do it. So you can see now I have downloaded it. Okay, so I was facing some issues to install it, but now I can install it. So after, you need to click on this, and it will give you some restriction. Means it will guide you how to install the Wireshark. So you can simply install it and you can start the capture. So Wireshark is already installed my system. If I open it, okay, so okay, you can see the latest version is this. If you want to install, click on the installer button. It's showing some error. Okay, skip it as of now. We will do it, we will check it later. And you can see I'm using the Wi-Fi connection here. It's JET. So Wi-Fi connectivity, you can see. Let me capture some packet. So one by one we will discuss about this dashboard as well. Like you can see, it's a stop button, it's a capture button, right? It's a start button, view, captures, analysis. A lot of options are there. So we will discuss one by one. So let me click on this. Okay, you can see. Now some packets are running right now. So let me click on this. If I'm clicking anything, it will give me all the instructions, e-services, right? So let me minimize it and stop it. Okay, so you can see the source and destination. So this is my source and I'm reaching on this destination 153. Let me start from beginning. So I have taken lot of packet. So okay, this is sequence number 1. As I told you, the timer, it will show you the time, and the source, this is my source. I am reaching to this destination. Destination IP is 188. The protocol is UDP. The length 145. So if you see, if I'm clicking on this protocol, either I'm clicking on this protocol, right? So you can see the frame size, right? You can see the frame size and the Ethernet detail. You can see the source and destination, IP detail, right? Flags detail, if you want to see the flag. TCP detail, flag detail, TCP, reset, right? Receive. So these are the flag of TCP. Urgent, acknowledge, push, reset, syn, fin. The window size value is 514. Okay, so there is a lot of options you can see in Wireshark. So you can click on this and right click, you can see the TCP stream as well. Okay, so there is a lot of options. So we will discuss about the some commands as well. These are the shortcut command to filter the